We'll guide you through how to make custom shape in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Inkscape and create a new document to begin your design process. Next, choose the Bezier tool from the toolbar so you can draw custom paths. Click on the canvas to create points, and continue clicking to form a basic shape outline that represents your intended design. Once the outline is complete, close the path by connecting the final point back to the first point. After that, fill the shape with color to make it visible and easier to edit. Then select the node tool and click on your shape to reveal all its nodes. Adjust node positions carefully and drag nodes to reshape the form according to your needs. Convert selected nodes to smooth so the edges become curved, and adjust the curve handles to refine the flow of the lines. Focus on making organic curves that look natural and balanced. If necessary, add more nodes in areas that need extra detail, and delete extra nodes that make the shape uneven or overly complex. Continue refining the overall shape until it looks clean and polished. Open the Fill and Stroke panel to further enhance the appearance, and change the color or apply a gradient for a more dynamic look. Add a stroke outline to define the edges, and adjust the stroke width to match your design style. You can also try combining shapes to create more complex designs. Draw a second shape, then select both shapes together. Go to the Path menu and click Union to merge them into one object. Next, try using Path Difference to subtract one shape from another, and experiment with Intersection to keep only overlapping areas. Use these options to create a unique form that stands out. Once satisfied, group the final shape to keep all elements organized. Finally, export your work as PNG or SVG depending on your intended use. Ensure you choose the correct file location and set the desired export resolution before confirming the process. Review the exported file to check for any issues and make adjustments if necessary by returning to your document.